Japan's Toshiba, 6502, T plans to establish a domestic supply chain for offshore wind power equipment together with US manufacturer General Electric, GE, and Nikkei reported on Saturday, as Japan is expanding in renewable energy in a zero-carbon push. Japan's offshore wind power market is set to grow as the government aims to install up to 10 gigawatts (GW) of offshore wind capacity by 2030 and up to 45 gigawatts by 2040 as part of its decarbonization push. Last month, the government finished accepting bids for the second round of offshore wind power tenders to build 1.8 gigawatts of capacity in 4 areas, with results yet to be announced. First round of 1.7 gigawatts capacity was won by Mitsubishi, 8058, T in 2021. According to Nikkei, the equipment supply chain would involve around 100 small and medium-sized companies with focus on the areas where offshore wind capacity should be installed. Toshiba plans to start production in 2026, Nikkei added. In 2021, Toshiba and GE announced a strategic partnership to localize GE's Haliade X offshore wind turbines manufacturing in Japan, as the US company wants its technology to be as competitive as possible in Japan's offshore wind auctions.